Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Sadhguru Reminder channel. This is Bhutha Shuddhi kit. I was initiated into Bhutha Shuddhi this year 2021, February 3rd week, 17th. My native place is Madanpalli, Andhra Pradesh. I went to Tirupati. From my place it is 4 hours journey. I went there, one of the Hatha Yoga teacher teaching Bhutha Shuddhi was initiated. This is how kit looks. I will just show you the kit, but you should take the initiation from Hatha Yoga teacher only. It is recommended. So in this two isha copper box, let me show you what is there inside. One is specially made karpuram. This karpuram is especially designed for Bhutha Shuddhi only, which is available in Isha store only. So which is normal karpura, which is available in local stores, that we should not use. This karpura we should buy from Isha only. This is specially designed for Bhutha Shuddhi. And one more copper box is here. We have a bhumi. We have to take 5 pieces of bhumi and we have to put it in one of the copper plates here, and by uttering mantra we have to take it. In initiation time they will guide you how to do that. And there is one more copper small plate. In this you have to put one this karpuram. You have to light it up. This is the Bhutha Shuddhi mantra. Om Yogeshwaraya Namaha. Om Sadguruve Namaha. Om Bhuteshwaraya Namaha. Swaha Swaha Swaha. Om Swaha Swaha. This is the mantra. By doing certain process here, you have to utter the mantra. So I sincerely recommend you all take Bhutha Shuddhi initiation from Hatha Yoga teacher, only then practice it. Om Namah Shivaya. Namaskaram. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates on Isha sadhanas and practices and Isha products. Thank you for watching.